Today we're talking about Assyrtiko. Hey, welcome back to day 2 of the Wine Advent Calendar, 2024 Wine Advent Calendar. Today we're talking about Assyrtiko. It's a white grape that I quite enjoy, but since it's from Greece, it doesn't really get a lot of publicity. Starting to get a little more, but still, very, very under the radar. It's a light-bodied white wine. There's no tannins here, and it's very high in acid, right? I think when you typically taste an Assyrtiko wine, you get, like passion fruit notes, lemons, limes, a bit of stone, and there can be salinity in really good ones. Now, that salinity comes from the fact that most of these vines and wines come from the island of Santorini in Greece, and that's where you'll get your best option. There are some people tinkering with it around the world, but Greece is where to go. Now, one bottle of Assyrtiko that I really like is the Domaine Sigalas Assyrtiko and Athiri blend. Just in case your Greek wine knowledge was lacking, we'll throw a little Athiri in there. It's just a wine. It's a grape, a white grape that tends to get blended with Assyrtiko here and there. That's always a reliable one. It's pretty well distributed. So hopefully if you see it, pick it up and enjoy an Assyrtiko wine. I'll see you soon for day 3 of the Wine Advent Calendar.